Malaking siniwalat netong si Ronde sa isang panayam matapos nga silang magkasagutan ni Coach Cheng sa naganap na laban kahapon ng Raw sa TNT. Yan matapos mang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Ilang linggo nga mga bulero bago maganap etong panibagong window ng FIBA hanggang ngayon wala pa rin isinasa publikong plano ang SBP regarding dyan. Especially sa tanong kung sino ang tatayo bilang naturalized player ng bansa dito sa nalalapit nating laban kontra Hong Kong at Chinese Taipei. Kaya naman kamakailan lang matapos opisyal na sagutin ng isang Pinoy analyst kung kailan ang possible date na makabalik si JB sa bansa, talagang naging laman yan ang usap-usapan. Samantala sa kabilang banda, kahapon nga mga bulero, alam naman nating marami ang naintriga matapos gumawa ng eksena etong si Ronde sa kanilang naganap na laban kontra Rain or Shine. Lalo na after pa silang magkasagutan ni Coach Cheng 1 minuto bago matapos ang tapatan.
I mean, that's a dangerous thing to pull. And hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari sa kanya. Tinopak yung hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa niya.
Kaya naman after that game, sa isang panaya may bahagyang dumipensa etong si Ronde regarding dyan.
I didn't go to their bench. I was talking to the ref. And as you all know, the last game I came to against Enebra, I was told to get off the bench because I'm not on the roster. Therefore, I am a fan. Therefore, as a fan, I can move about where I want. I was upset at the ref's call, so I followed the ref down the sideline. The ref will tell you, and I don't know what he's going to say when he comes out here, but as a fan, I went to the ref. One, as a fan, and two, that's my brother. I could be biased, whatever, but I went to the ref to say that was BS. They approached me. I'm on your side, but I'm a fan. So what's the issue? I'm a fan. I should be able to say what I want. As long as I'm not talking to you, I didn't say anything to not one person on that bench. I didn't even look at him. You came to me aggressive, disrespecting me as a man. Come on. Y'all won the game. Y'all was up about 7. Y'all just got a tech. Y'all getting free throws. There's no need. You can laugh in my face. Just laugh at me. Why are you here? What are you doing right now? I can't say nothing. We losing. My frustration was with the ref. That was it.